Rising abruptly from the flat plains of the Irish Midlands, the Rock of Dunamase is a towering limestone crag steeped in ancient myth, bloody histories, and royal romance. Long before the stone walls of its medieval castle were erected, this natural fortress was known and named after a legendary warrior and grandson of the ancient King of Leinster. Before the written word, Celtic tribes saw the 46-metre limestone hill as a sacred stronghold. According to early Christian annals, a fortified settlement thrived here by the early medieval period. Its prominence made it a prime target for outsiders. In 845 AD, a fleet of Viking raiders marched from their seasonal stronghold in Dublin. They stormed the fortress gates, plundering its treasures and killing the abbot of Terryglass, who had fled to the high rock seeking sanctuary. The dowry of a royal romance. The most famous lore of Dunamase centres around a pivotal 12th century event that altered the course of Irish history forever. The rock belonged to the deposed King of Leinster. To reclaim his throne, struck a deal with the Anglo-Norman adventurer Richard de Clare, famously known as Strongbow. As part of the alliance, Mac Machada offered the hand of his daughter in marriage along with a massive dowry. The crown jewel of that dowry was the Rock of Dunamase. When the Norman invaders arrived to fortify the hill, they turned it into an unassailable medieval masterpiece. Generations later, the legendary William Marshal, often called the greatest knight that ever lived, inherited the stronghold through marriage and reinforced it with thick outer barbicans and massive gatehouses, turning it into the beating heart of Norman power in Leinster. The ghostly sentinel and final ruin. As centuries rolled on, the native Gaelic clans fought bitterly to reclaim what was stolen. The ferocious O'More family wrestled control of Dunamase back from the English crown in the 14th century, ruling the surrounding lands with defiance for generations. Local folklore tells of the Hellhound of Dunamase, a spectral black dog with eyes of burning embers said to belong to the O'Moores. Legend says the hound still roams the ruined battlements at twilight, guarding a buried vault of treasure deep within the limestone caverns below, hidden before the castle's ultimate downfall. That downfall came in 1650 during the brutal Cromwellian invasion. Seeing the strategic danger of the high fort, Cromwell's forces intentionally slighted the castle, blowing up its walls with gunpowder so it could never be used as a military base again. Today, the shattered arches and jagged stone walls of the Rock of Dunamase stand as a haunting monument to Ireland's ancient East. Wandering through the ruined gatehouses, visitors can still look out across the rolling green field, walking exactly where ancient Celtic warriors, Viking raiders and medieval knights once stood. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe.